Hello everybody, good morning. I cannot believe that it is the 5th of October already, and here's your Grange head teacher assembly. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. And let's be clear about what we want at Grange. Well, the Grange CC way, we want a great caring attitude. We want everybody to be really trying their best. We want to always be learning, especially from our mistakes. And think about that. It's coming later in the assembly again. We want to be going for improvement and progress. That's our aim. We want an education that helps us to learn to make great choices for ourselves as we go through life, and we want to never give up. So this assembly, I want us to think about the word wisdom. Now, here's the question. What's the difference between somebody who is clever and somebody who is wise? Somebody who is wise has wisdom. But how is that different from a person who is clever? Pause the video over here and discuss in the class with your teacher or with the person next to you, what is wisdom and what's the difference between being clever and being wise? Right, here's an image that I found on the internet, and you can see two people just sort of sitting really still and looking at the mountains and the river. I suppose we could use the word contemplation. They're contemplating the beauty of nature around them. They're really looking. They're really thinking. They're really just taking their time in that moment. And really, wisdom is about that. It's not about being clever and having the answers straight away. It's about really thinking about our lives. It's about really learning from everything that happens to us, even from our mistakes. Wisdom is really about thinking deeply so that you really make great choices. So if we think about, I always like to turn it into actions. Okay, so we've talked about wisdom, but let's just think about 3 actions that we can put into place to help us to develop the character strength of wisdom. Well, number 1, we can listen without interrupting. So if somebody's talking to us, or somebody's teaching us, or somebody's really speaking, it's really important to be able to listen without interrupting. It's really difficult. We're all human beings. We all make mistakes, but that's something we can really try and do better. We can really try and listen well. We can really focus on what people are saying. Our minds are amazing things, and we can have incredible daydreams and thoughts and all sorts of things. But again, when somebody's really talking or you're in a lesson and you're learning, really focus. That's an act of wisdom, to listen without interrupting, to focus on what's being said. And number 3, to respect others even if you disagree. So let's say you're speaking to somebody and you disagree with them. You can still respect them and say, well, that's your opinion, this is my opinion. Wisdom is being able to say, okay, we can live side by side even if we don't agree. So that's a powerful and amazing character strength, wisdom. We're going to learn about that a bit more over the next few weeks. We know our Grange CC way. We want to be confident, and we want to be considerate. We want to really give love and look after ourselves. We want to think about ourselves and take care of ourselves, and we want to be considerate. We want to think about the world and take care of the world. And we've got our Grange CC walking and CC lining up, and we know how to line up really well with our feet on the imaginary sides of the line. We put our eyes in front of us. We respect ourselves so we can wait quietly and give space to the person in front of us and behind us. We can see the adult coming towards us and we can greet them with a good morning or good afternoon. We know CC walking. Put our hands on our hearts and we just walk beautifully and confidently and kindly and keep quiet because we know that everybody's learning and doing well in our school. So stars of the week go to, well, golds. First of all, well done, Bianca. That was from last week. Really proud of you. Zohaib, brilliant. Levente, an amazing start to your Grange career. Grace, brilliant work. Agash, well done. You are full of questions. Farhad, a fantastic start to this year. Blessing, brilliant. So these are the people who got gold in the last week. And here we go, the stars of the Grange House of Water. Well, Grange House of Water got a whopping 1,644 points. I think that is just amazing. Shiley got 20, Diana got 22, Ikram got 23, Mariama got 23, Wissam, really well done, 23, Parisa 24, Grace 25, fantastic, Zara 26, Pharrell 28, Anna 30, Agash 34, Furkan 37, Amira 37, Abdullah A got 40, Sakina 43, Ayana 43, Zara 48, Cosmina 49, Rayan, brilliant, 54, and Bavita 59. These are stars of the House of Water. Well done. Grange House of Fire, whopping 1,687 points. Brilliant. Hewad 20, Alfie 22, Soraya 25, Eric 25, Vanea 28, well done. Haida 32, Harun 34, Vishwesh 38, Shana 43, Ansar 45, Amos 46, Farhad 46, Princess 48, and Medina 49, Mirthika 64, absolutely brilliant. Grange House of Air, 1,444 points. All the houses got over 1,000 points each. Masood 19, Bashir 19, Sabrine 20, Jackie 21, Mustafa O 21, Faris 22, Arzu 25, Nicoletta 28, Dana 28, Shravan 33, Imran 38, Jaden 41, well done Jaden, Blessing 42, brilliant, Ibra 42, Ajay 43, Mariam 46, Abdullah D 48, brilliant. The Grange House of Earth, 1,687 points, brilliant. Jamal S 21 positive points, well done Jamal. Maha 21, Adam 22, Zohaib 22, Shaista 23, Stefania 25, Ayman 25, Max 26, Anushanth 26, Jabril 31, Anastasia 34, Aitan 36, Alicia 38, Lion 39, Danusha 39, Habiz 40, Divian 40, Dikshan 45, Wasim 46, Sana 46, Michelle 46, well done Michelle, Race 76 points, amazing, brilliant. The whole Grange community this week, and I think it's our best week of the year so far, 6,626 points, which is absolutely brilliant. Our champion class contributions, I've got to say well done to Churchill class with 541 points, well done to Luther King class with 556 points, well done to Mandela class with 835 points, but nobody was quite in the league of Tubman class. Give yourselves a pat on the back and a big cheer for them, 1,107 points. I think you're the first class to crack the 1,000 barrier, so brilliant, well done. And our running total, 17,131 positive points this term, which is brilliant. Our target for the half term is 21,000. We're well on target if we can keep that going. And this is Freddy, and he lives with Miss Edwards, our deputy head teacher. You might have seen him on the Grange Primary Harrow YouTube channel during lockdown. Well, he's very proud of everybody and how well we're doing since we've come back to school. And he said that if you get 21,000 points this half term, he's going to send a video message to the Grange community. So let's just work hard to make that happen. And if you have any questions for Freddy, you can write them down, hand them into Miss Edwards. And if Freddy thinks it's a good question, he'll give his answer in the half term video if we get 21,000 points. So be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Learn together. Respect each other. Achieve our potential. We are great. We are Grange.